Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Today I'm going to show you my evening vlog. Today is 16 July and is Friday. So I'm going to little shopping in Inorbit Mall. So let's go together. So the time is around 7:30 p.m. and I'm just starting to the Inorbit Mall. It takes around 10 minutes from my home to reach Inorbit Mall, Hyderabad. Hi guys, so we have come to the Inorbit Mall. Let's go check out the shopping here. So these are the pearl earrings. So I have done with my shopping in Biba and Bagot. So let's go to the food court now. So I have ordered a peri peri rice meal from Burger King. Peri peri rice, chicken strips, French fries, and Pepsi. So the next order that I got is churros from Taco Bell and a glass of Mountain Dew. So this is my favorite dessert place. These are the churros and with the chocolate dip and Mountain Dew. So this is the Mountain Dew and this is the Fanta. సో ఇంత షాపింగ్ చేసి చల్లగా ఫ్యాంటా తాగుతుంటే అబ్బా సూపర్ ఫీల్ కదా. So we are done with our shopping and we have just come out from the Inorbit Mall. So this is the cable hanging bridge of Madhapur High Tech City in Hyderabad. It's decorated in the beautiful tricolors. So this is one of the most happening places in Hyderabad. This is the IKEA store. I recently have gone to IKEA and uploaded a haul. If you have missed the video, I'll share the link of it in the description too. So this is the huge Deloitte campus. Hi guys, so I have come back from the Inorbit Mall. Let's see what I have shopped today. So the first shop that I have shopped from is Biba. So the first thing that I got is this beautiful dress from Biba. This is in the sky blue color. So this is a 3-piece set that I got from Biba. This comes with pant and dupatta. It has a very big dupatta. So it's a set like this. I got this kurti set at a price of around 4,000 rupees and I bought size 40 in this. So the next set that I have got is earrings from Biba too. This is a beautiful pair of ethnic earrings. All the earrings that I got from Biba are at a price of around 2,000 rupees. So this is one pair that I got. The next pair is beautiful pearl earrings. This is from Biba too. These are all the ethnic collection that we have in Biba. I got 4 of them. So the next one is this cute earrings. I'll try and share the link of these earrings if they are available on the Biba website. So So these are earrings. Actually, these are the dual-sided ones. So you can see from the back side also there is a design. Let me show you guys from near how they look. So this is the first set of earrings. This is the second one that I got. This is the third one, which with the lotus design. So these are the dual-sided design ones. This is the third earrings that I got. This is also a dual-sided design. They have very cute pearl detailing like this. So these are the different earrings that I got today. So the next product that I got is a king size bed sheets. I got this from Bombay Amara collection with this pattern. This is priced at around 2,499 rupees. We get a pair of pillow covers too free with this. So this is a set. So next I have bought a couple of bags from Inorbit. One is from Baggett. So this is a cute sling bag. This comes with an attached sling like this. This has little compartment like this which can be used as a single zipped one for phones and cash, etc. So this is the bag that I got from Baggett. So the next one is a little cute wallet that I got from Fossil. So this is in the leopard printed one. It comes with a single compartment and a zip one like this for change and cards, etc. So this is very simple pouch. So this is a brown and black printed one. The next bag that I got is from Ceres brand. I got this from Lifestyle in Inorbit. So this is in a cute white and brown color. This also comes with a single compartment and can be used easily to carry your phones, wallets, cash, etc. This also has a little compartment in the back. So this is how it looks. This is available in different colors too. White along with light cream, black combinations, etc. This has 2 to 3 compartments inside. And this can be worn as a sling bag. The next product that I got from Miniso is this kitty kettle. This comes in a kitty shaped bottle and also comes with an infuser like this. So next I got a perfume from Miniso, that is Ginger White. This has super smell and is very long lasting. Let me show you how it looks. So this comes in a white glass bottle like this and it smells amazing. So this perfume is priced at around 460 rupees. I also got another body spray. So this is the Shining Night body spray. This also lasts forever. This body spray and perfume are one of the best buys in Miniso. Do try them and let me know how it works for you. So next I bought eye brush sets from Sigma. So this is a basic eye brush set. Let me show you what it contains. This is a most wanted brush set and this is the basic eye brush set. So this is the Sigma most wanted brush set. It contains face and eye brushes. So it has blending, pencil, highlighter and kabuki brushes, which blends the liquid and cream products onto your skin perfectly. I'll have to yet try this product and I'll review them very soon. The next product that I have is this basic eye brush set from Sigma. This has 7 classic eye brushes which can be used for eyeliner, pencil, blending, shading and small angle shading, etc. So this is priced at 6,800 rupees in Nykaa. And the earlier most wanted brush set is priced at 6,400 rupees in Nykaa. So I'll share the link of both these products in the description. Do try them if you are interested. So in the third floor of Inorbit, there are some local shops where they are selling kurtis and kids dresses, etc. So I got this long frock from there. This is a nice green color, peacock green color with a blue border. So I found these kind of dresses in South India Shopping Mall and RS Brothers, etc. as well. So I got this for a price of 1,200 rupees. This is how it looks. It has a very big ghera and a lining as well. This is a basic cotton lining. So this has button stitched as well and hands have a beautiful design like this too. The cloth looks like this. This is a basic pattu and has huge border like this, which makes it look very elegant. You can pair it up with your ethnic dupattas. And the back has a boat neck like this with a little detailing of a button here. Let me show you how it looks on me. So this is how the dress looks on me. So I also got these local cotton masks from those vendors only. Each of this pack is for 99 rupees. The quality of this mask is too good. Each of it contains 6 pieces. Let me show you what are the designs that I got. So these are some designs of the mask that I got. These are hand stitched and it's made of pure cotton. So the next and the last product that I have is this little bags from Lat LV. These are the transparent gym bag kind of texture. Let me show you how they look. So I got these in 2 colors. One if I can use for office purpose and the other one for regular use. So this comes in black color. It also comes with a pouch like this, which can be used to carry your phone, etc. So this is a transparent black that I got from Lat LV. I also got this in blue color. This comes with a handy pouch like this, which can be attached to here to carry your sanitizer, phone, etc. So this is very huge in size and almost fits everything that you can carry. I think this color almost reminds me of the IKEA carriage bags that we have. Let me show you how they look. So this is how the bag looks. It has huge space inside. This could almost fit everything that you can carry for shopping, etc. So this is a handy pouch that we get along with it, which you can tag here. So this is a blue colored one and this is a black one that I got. That's it from my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, The Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye.